Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 7th. The subject is English and the sub-subject is grammar. The topic is essay writing. This is chapter number 23 in your book. So let's start the chapter. Essay writing. Essay is a long composition on a given topic, on a given subject. There may be different paragraphs, but it should not be long. There may be 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph. Mostly we use 2-3 paragraph for writing an essay. So let's see what is given. Write the definition first. Essay writing. So, essay is a long composition on a given subject. Essay is a long composition on a given subject. Is a long composition on a given subject. Where one can present one's own views, where one can present one's own. So this is the definition of paragraph, and you can also add generally comprising 3 or more paragraphs. Generally comprising 3 or more paragraphs. It is not always necessary that there must be 3 or more paragraphs. You can use only 1 paragraph for your essay. You can use 2 paragraphs, but generally people take 2-3 paragraphs, 3 or more paragraphs to write the essay. So essay is a long composition on a given subject where one can present one's own point of view, one's own view. And generally comprising 3 or more paragraphs. It is generally comprising of 3 or more paragraphs, but it is not necessary. You can use 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraphs according to your need, according to the need that you are going to write the essay. So here are a few points that we should see. An essay should hold the interest of the readers. We should write the essay in a way that it must hold the interest of the readers. So you must keep these things in your mind while writing an essay. An essay should consist of a good introduction followed by several paragraphs elaborating on each of the different ideas of the topic. You must include an introduction, and introduction must be followed by different paragraphs. In introduction, you will introduce about the topic, and in your paragraph, you write the detail about your essay. An essay should always end with a good impacting conclusion. There must be a good impacting conclusion. You must write a conclusion that you should write a conclusion that must have an impacting. Here can say that must have a good impact. A good ending is as important as a good beginning. As good ending is as important as a good beginning. जैसे कि शुरुआत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, उसी तरह से एंडिंग भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. It is important that before attempting to write an essay, one should plan it well. Before attempting to write the essay, you should plan well. First of all, you make the idea of your essay. You create the atmosphere, you take the, you can say, title of your essay. After making all these things, after making all the content related to the essay, then you start writing your essay. So it is important that before attempting to write an essay, one should plan it well. A good plan is must. Without a good plan, we can't write a good essay. Avoid unnecessary repetition. You avoid unnecessary repetition means you don't write the same sentence again and again in an essay. If there isn't any need of repetition, you don't repeat the things. The style should be simple yet formal and grammatically accurate. The style should be simple. Your style should be simple, but it must be accurate. There shouldn't be any kind of mistakes, grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes. There shouldn't be any kind of mistakes like that, because this is writing form, and in writing form we use the formal language. You should use the formal language to write an essay. We shouldn't use informal language, and our sentences must be accurate, our spelling must be correct. So these things are must in an essay. Essay are of different kinds: narrative, descriptive, imaginative and factual. Essay may be of different kind. They may be narrative. Narrative means to tell the in the way of telling a story. Descriptive, you are going to describe all the things. Essay may be descriptive. Imaginative, there may be imaginative things too in your essay. You can add the things related to your imaginations. Factual, you can also present the factual things, the things that are facts, the things that are true, the things that are proved. So there may be different kinds of essays, and you can take any topic, any kind of essay. And essay can be written on any topic like the life of a great man, or any common social issue, or even an imaginative topic. Means you can take any topic to write your essay. You can take the life, you can take the topic of any great person, you can take the topic of a science, you can take the topic of any general life usage, you can take the topic of any literature, you can take, you can say take any kind of topic. So essay can be written on any topic, and we can include suitable proverbs or questions in our essay. We should try to include good proverbs, include suitable proverbs related to our topic. We should try to use quotations. You can also use quotations in our essay to make it a good essay. So these are the things that are related to essay writing. Now let us see one example of essay writing. Here is one example of essay. The topic of the essay is Diwali. We will include only 3 paragraphs in our essay. One introduction, one paragraph. In first paragraph we will write the introduction, in second paragraph we will write the body of the essay, and in third paragraph we will conclude the essay. So first of all, Diwali is, you can write the headings too. If you don't want to write the headings, you change the paragraph for each topic, for each heading. So you must change the paragraph if you are not going to use the you can say headings. So I am not going to use the headings. Diwali is one of the most important festivals in India. Diwali is one of the most important festival in India. Full stop. Next one is, it is a festival of lights. It is a festival of lights and is celebrated all over the country, is celebrated and is celebrated all over the country, all over the country with great pomp and show, with great pomp and show. Full stop. This is our introduction. This is the introduction of the essay. Now let us write the body of the essay. So in body we are going to change the paragraph to write the body of the essay. The festival of Diwali is very significant. The festival of Diwali is very significant, very significant, very significant for our country, especially for our country, especially for the Hindu community, especially for the Hindu community. Because it is associated with Lord Rama, because it is associated with Lord Rama. Full stop. When Rama went into exile for 14 years, when Rama went into exile for 14 years, in the forest, he met with great trouble. He met with great trouble. Full stop. His wife Sita was carried away. His wife Sita was carried away by the mighty Ravana, Full stop. Rama had to fight a war with Ravana. Rama had to fight a war with Ravana, and only after killing him in the war, after killing him in the war, in the war, killing him in the war. Could he rescue his beloved wife Sita? Could he rescue? Could he rescue his beloved wife, Sita? Full stop. When Rama came back to Ayodhya, when Rama came back to Ayodhya, from his exile, after defeating Ravana, now I don't have space, so I will erase the board and we'll continue from from the top. I will continue the line from the top. So let me first erase this. Ravana, the people of Ayodhya, welcomed him and Sita, with great celebration, full stop. They decorated the whole city. And at night, lit lamps to mark the joyous day, full stop. Since then, on that day, Diwali is celebrated. Every year. Full stop. See one more small paragraph in the body. This is love and fun. There is love and fun in the air. There is love and fun in the air. Full stop. Houses, offices and shops. And the shops, and the shops are cleaned thoroughly, around this time, full stop. At night houses are illuminated with diyas, fairy lights and candles, full stop. People bursts firecrackers, and exchange sweets and gifts, full stop. So this is the body of our essay. Now I am going to write the conclusion of the essay. So we will change the paragraph for writing the conclusion. Diwali is the time for celebration. Diwali is the time for celebration. Is the time for celebration. It is the time to meet and greet. It is the time to meet and greet. Our friends and relatives. Friends and relatives, full stop. There is love and joy all around. There is love and joy all around. So this is the conclusion of the essay. So this is essay writing. Now the chapter is complete. Thank you. Have a nice day.